Is it time to buy or sell Meta stock? In this video, we will take an in-depth look at Meta. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could influence your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 28th of May, 2025, our system has identified Meta as a strong buy candidate, assigning it a score of 5.85. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has experienced a gain of 8.41%. This amounts to an average return of 1.05% per day since it was designated as a strong buy candidate. The stock is currently positioned in the upper range of a very wide and strong rising trend in the short term. This situation typically presents a favorable selling opportunity for short-term traders. As a reaction back toward the lower part of this trend can be anticipated. A breakout above the upper trend line at $707.15 would initially indicate a stronger rate of increase. The present 3-month trend forecasts a potential change of approximately 13.02% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging between negative 14.57% and positive 14.55%. In terms of a longer time frame, our 12-month analysis suggests a projected change of 22.33%. Based on our assessments, the stock's performance could vary from negative 11.72% to positive 36.88% over the next year. This projection would imply a future price range of somewhere between $615.96 and $955.03. Our latest daily update for Meta includes the headline, Meta stock upgraded to strong buy candidate. The Meta stock price gained 1.91% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 6th of June, 2025, rising from $684.62 to $697.71. During that trading day, the stock fluctuated by 1.58%, ranging from a day low of $691.87 to a day high of $702.81. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days and is up by 9.6% over the past 2 weeks. Trading volume fell on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 11 million shares bought and sold, amounting to approximately $7.82 billion. It is important to note that falling volume on rising prices may indicate divergence and could signal potential changes in the upcoming days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $740.89, while the lowest price was $442.65. Currently, the price is 5.83%, or $43.18, below the 52-week high of $740.89, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Meta Platforms is poised for a pivotal year in 2025, particularly in the realm of augmented and virtual reality, as indicated by statements from Chief Technology Officer Andrew Bosworth. He outlines that this could be a defining moment for Reality Labs, or it might reflect a significant misstep regarding their metaverse initiatives. In tandem with this, Meta's stock has surged by 17% year-to-date, buoyed by advancements in artificial intelligence-driven advertising and heightened user engagement. However, concerns around potential overvaluation and monetization strategies persist. As investors assess these factors, short-term volatility isn't unexpected. The recent investigation by Pomerantz law firm into potential claims on behalf of investors adds another layer of scrutiny that could influence market sentiment. Nevertheless, if Meta continues to innovate and expand in artificial intelligence applications across its platforms, the long-term outlook remains optimistic. Developments such as testing artificial intelligence-generated three-dimensional photos on Instagram and potential stablecoin initiatives hint at ambitious growth strategies. Collectively, these factors could stabilize and eventually elevate Meta's stock price, making it a focal point for investors looking for growth in technology and digital engagement. Analyst ratings. On Friday the 16th of May, 2025, it was reported that Loop Capital Markets assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that KeyBank assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Susquehanna assigned Meta a positive rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned Meta an overweight rating with a hold action. On Thursday, the 1st of May, 2025, it was reported that UBS assigned Meta a buy rating with a hold action. Analysts have assigned Meta stock a general neutral rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio as a sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell. In terms of return on investment, the analysts rate the stock as a strong buy. The following signals have been identified for Meta. The Meta stock presents buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a positive outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal indicated by the relationship between these two averages, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $671.51 and $608.16. A drop below any of these thresholds will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, April 21, 2025, and thus far, the stock has increased by 43.96%. Further upward movement is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. It is worth noting that trading volume declined during the last trading day, even while prices rose, resulting in a divergence between volume and price. This could serve as an early warning sign. Close attention should be paid to the stock. Some negative signals have also emerged, which may influence its near-term trajectory. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence, a sell signal. Pivots, a buy signal from 34 days ago. Bollinger, a buy signal from 1 day ago. Short-term moving average, a buy signal from 10 days ago. Long-term moving average, a buy signal from 27 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 25 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, a buy signal from 31 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal from 20 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 8 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Meta. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $586 and $585.77. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level. If this level is broken, the stock may then fall to the next support level. In this case, Meta finds support just below today's level at $586. If this is broken, then the next support from accumulated volume will be at $585.77 and $531.62. This stock experiences average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. During the last day, the stock moved $10.94 between high and low, or 1.58%. For the last week, the stock has had a daily average volatility of 2.5%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for Meta, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This is a relatively normal PE ratio, often seen in businesses with long track records or predictable revenues. In other news, the next earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is expected on the 30th of July, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates are at $5.83. Keep an eye on these numbers, as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Meta. There is no significant resistance from accumulated volume above which suggests that the stock could move upwards swiftly under favorable conditions. In this scenario, you may want to consider entering a position and use volume as a guide for when to exit. On the downside, Meta encounters its first support level at $586. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for Meta from multiple analyst sources is neutral. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 3rd of June, 2025, Newstead Jennifer executed an insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. On the 2nd of June, 2025, Olivon Javier executed an insider sale of 517 shares of Class A common stock. On the 27th of May, 2025, Newstead Jennifer executed an insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. On the 27th of May, 2025, Olivon Javier executed an insider sale of 517 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of May, 2025, Newstead Jennifer executed an insider sale of 519 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've determined that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 22.257. Overall, insiders acquired 118,770 shares and sold 187,155 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $677.20, reflecting a decrease of 2.94%. This stock experiences medium daily fluctuations, which indicates a medium level of risk. The relative strength index, calculated over 14 days, stands at 78, significantly heightening the risk factor. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom that was identified 33 days ago. Is Meta stock a good buy? Meta holds several positive signals and is within a strong rising trend. As the old saying goes, let the trend be your friend. We consider it to be a solid choice at these current levels, anticipating further gains over the next 3 months. Our analysis has been upgraded from a buy to a strong buy candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 9th of June, we expect Meta to open lower by approximately 24 cents, starting at $697.46. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.